Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are diving into one of the most exciting trends in modern architecture: industrial container house design. At its core, this design style is about repurposing steel shipping containers, the kind used for global trade, into functional, stylish, and durable living spaces. The industrial aspect refers to the aesthetic choice to embrace raw materials, such as exposed steel, corrugated metal, and large glass panes, often combined with wood or concrete to create a look that is both rugged and sophisticated. It is a movement that blends minimalism with structural honesty, proving that you don't need traditional bricks and mortar to build a stunning sanctuary. Choosing an industrial container home offers a multitude of benefits that go far beyond just looking cool. First and foremost is sustainability. By upcycling a used shipping container, you are significantly reducing the carbon footprint associated with new construction materials. These structures are also incredibly durable, designed to withstand the harshest ocean environments, which makes them fire-resistant and structurally sound in extreme weather. From a financial perspective, container homes can often be built faster and more affordably than traditional houses due to their modular nature. This flexibility allows for easy expansion in the future. You need more room, you simply stack or plug in another container. It's a versatile solution for anyone looking to achieve a high-end architectural look on a more accessible budget. Decorating the exterior of a container house requires a balance between its metallic roots and welcoming residential elements. To make it look truly high-end, start by playing with textures. Incorporating natural wood siding or vertical gardens against the cold steel creates a beautiful, warm meet-school contrast. Lighting is another crucial factor. Using warm LED uplights or industrial-style sconces can highlight the corrugated texture of the steel at night, giving the home a glow that feels luxurious rather than cold. Large floor-to-ceiling glass doors or windows are essential. Not only do they break up the solid metal walls, but they also reflect the surrounding environment, making the home feel integrated into its landscape. Finally, don't be afraid of bold paint colors. While matte black or charcoal gives off a classic industrial vibe, pops of yellow or rust orange can lean into the container's history while looking modern and intentional. When it comes to the best exterior styles, the stacked modular look is a fan favorite, where containers are shifted or cantilevered to create covered patios and balconies. Another popular approach is the hybrid style, which mixes traditional timber framing or stone accents with the raw steel of the container to soften the industrial edge. For those who love a sleek look, the monochromatic, minimalist style is a single dark color for the walls, window frames, and trim creates a seamless high-fashion silhouette. If you prefer something more organic, the eco-industrial style incorporates living green walls and rooftop gardens directly onto the container structure, blurring the lines between the machine-made box and the natural world. Each style offers a different way to celebrate the unique geometry of the container while reflecting your personal taste. Now, let's look at the top 10 best industrial container house design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts. Inspired by the incredible design ideas. 1. The cantilevered sunset twin towers. This design features two upper containers that extend far beyond the base, creating a dramatic silhouette and a shaded driveway below. The use of warm sunset lighting against the beige tile and dark brick central column gives it a sophisticated, multi-textural look that feels more like a luxury villa than a shipping container. 2. Modern modular color pop residence. A stunning example of how to use color to define space. This home features bright orange and lime green window frames set against a sleek gray panel exterior. The large glass sliding doors on the ground floor create a seamless transition to the lawn, making the industrial structure feel open and airy. 3. The Dark Looks Veranda Suite. This matte black container home uses a recessed ground floor to create a cozy covered wooden deck. The contrast between the dark corrugated steel and the warm interior lighting makes it look incredibly inviting, perfect for an urban backyard or a woodland retreat. 4. The Forest View Industrial Pavilion. Elevated on tall, dark pillars, this design uses containers with their original doors replaced by massive glass panels. The pop of yellow on the container doors adds a playful industrial nod, while the elevated position provides a 360-degree view of the surrounding trees. 5. Warm wood and steel fusion. This single-story design proves that wood cladding can completely transform a container. By wrapping parts of the structure in horizontal timber planks, the home gains a mid-century modern feel that perfectly complements the industrial steel roof and large glass entryway. 6. The cantilevered garden loft, featuring a striking overhanging upper level that creates a sheltered outdoor lounge. This design is all about outdoor-indoor flow. A lush vertical green wall on the side adds a burst of nature, softening the dark steel and making the space feel like a modern oasis. 7. The two-story glass front studio with massive windows that take up nearly the entire front face of the containers. This design maximizes natural light. The black steel frames and the addition of a small upper-level balcony with glass railings provide a clean, contemporary look that is perfect for a home office or guest house. 8. The symmetrical, sunset H-frame. This expansive design connects to container wings with a central glass walkway. The industrial silver finish reflects the colors of the sky, while the symmetrical layout creates a sense of grandeur and balance that mimics a high-end custom estate. 9. The floating nightglow mansion using dramatic overhangs and built exterior spotlights. This home appears to float above its concrete base at night. The combination of dark wood undersoffits and white furniture on the deck creates a high-contrast ultramodern aesthetic. 10. The Zen linear deckhouse, a masterclass in simplicity. This design features a long single-level container with a continuous wooden deck running alongside it. Dark vertical siding and repetitive black structural frames create a rhythmic, peaceful look that blends perfectly with a grassy landscape. Industrial container. Industrial container house design is more than just a passing fad. It is a smart, sustainable, and incredibly stylish way to rethink what a home can be. Whether you are looking for a tiny weekend getaway or a sprawling family residence, the flexibility of containers allows you to dream big without the limitations of traditional construction. We hope these ideas have inspired you to look at these steel boxes in a whole new light and imagine the possibilities for your own future home project. If you enjoyed this deep dive into industrial container design, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration every week. Which of the top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest in home decor and modern living.